Webflow released very cool features yesterday in Webflow Conf 2023, and in this video I'm going very quickly through the list of new updates. So get sure to watch this video until the end. My name is Kia and here is Kimo. Welcome back to my channel. The very first thing that you will realize when you open the Webflow is that they have done a rebranding. So they have done logo redesign, they have done some redesign in the user interface after the Webflow designer, and of course they have done some changes in the user interface of the Webflow website and dashboard section. I personally like the new changes in the Webflow and I feel like this was the right time for it. Now let's get back to the list of the new updates. The first thing in my list is the new user interface design of the Webflow designer and the dashboard. Some element has been changed and got improved. The position of some of the tools has been changed, and in general I like the new fresh look of the Webflow designer and dashboard. The second item in the update list is that now localization is available in the Webflow. Webflow has announced yesterday that now we can have the localization as a native solution inside the Webflow, which will help us to have multi-languages in our website for different markets in all around the world. I'm very excited to have this feature in the web. Previously we had to do a lot of manual works, like we had to create different pages in different languages manually, or we could use some third-party plugins and solutions which were going to help us to translate all the pages automatically to different languages. But now we have this feature inside the Webflow itself. I'm very excited to see how this feature is going to work in practice. The next new item in the update list is going to blow your mind. Now we can natively bring the 3D objects and materials and animations that we make in the Spline into the Webflow and use Webflow interaction panel to add some interaction to it. This means we can have control on many different properties of our 3D scene, such as our camera position or camera angle or the lighting condition that we have. This is going to be the game changer. I'm looking forward to use this feature in order to bring some 3D effect into my Webflow website. The next update might sound not to be a big deal, but I personally really need it. Now we can natively use the aspect ratio CSS properties in the Webflow. This means we can have some fixed aspect ratio for some element in our design, such as image, which will help us to have a proper proportion for this element regardless which devices the users are going to use. I usually use the custom CSS code, but now I have it in the visual editor. And the last update that I'm gonna talk about in this video is that now we can create variables inside the Webflow. We can open up the variable panel from the sidebar in the left side and then create our variables for different reasons and purposes. We can have variables for the size, fonts, and colors. Then we can use these variables easily to connect them to the specific properties of our element inside our website. We are all familiar with the concept of using tokens or variables in our design in order to have more maintainable and scalable design system. So this feature is going to help us to organize our design file or design environment so much better than before. Okay, these were some of the new features and updates that the Webflow released yesterday in Webflow Conf 2023. Please let me know if I forgot to mention any feature and new updates. And in general, please let me know what feature of Webflow you like the most in the comment section. Hope you liked this video, and if it was so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and check out the other videos as well. Let's learn together and see you in the next video.